if you're thinking of buying a media mod for a GoPro, then the question you'll probably be asking is it worth it? And I would say yes, but maybe not for the reason you initially think. So at the moment you're listening to the internal mic on the GoPro. I've got the GoPro 9, the mic's just built in, just below the camera, and you know, I think it sounds decent enough. For an onboard mic, and traditionally onboard mics are not brilliant on almost any camera. So I think, yeah, for what I'm using it for, it's pretty decent. And if you're looking to use your GoPro as well as being an action cam for something for vlogging, or just, you know, or live streaming or whatever, then you might be thinking, actually I want a slightly better mic and therefore I'm going to get the MediaMod. But I don't think necessarily that's what it's designed for. Now I know it includes a mic, and that seems to be a big sort of selling point, and I don't know whether we're misinterpreting the marketing from GoPro, or actually if it's not being marketed correct. But I've got an issue with using the MediaMod as a microphone, and I'm going to show you why. So this is now the audio from the MediaMod, and I don't know about you, but I'm not that impressed with it. Yes, it's probably slightly more directional, so you're probably not picking up quite so much of the background noise, but as a mic I don't think it's actually as good as the internal, which is a real shame because I thought it was going to add a new dynamic to the camera. But here's the thing, I don't think the MediaMod is actually that good as a microphone, but it is really good for the additional bits that you get. So firstly, there's two cold shoes on there, so I'm able to attach a light on top, and also, most importantly, able to attach an external microphone. And I'm going to use the Wireless Go and give you a demo of that, because I think actually that's what the MediaMod is for. It's for attaching other mics, it's for being able to plug in, you know, USB-C and charge as you go. It's adding all of those extra bits, adding the light on top, like I said. So if you're looking to up your sort of GoPro game for vlogging, etc., definitely get the MediaMod, but add an external mic, and I'm going to show you why. So I've now added the Wireless Go, the Rode Wireless Go mic, and hopefully you'll agree this is a massive improvement. And there's some real benefits to this. Now, admittedly, I haven't brought the best standout with me, so I'm struggling with holding the camera, but it's picking up my voice wherever the camera is pointing. Now, I know with the GoPro, whether you're using the internal or the MediaMod, of course, they are directional, they're facing forwards, and if you turn the camera around to show, you know, something else, something that you're looking at, your voice obviously changes and drops out, but this allows the sound to be exactly the same. So if I turn this round, I'm going to show you my view at the moment. I'm standing sort of on top of a cliff, and it doesn't matter where I point it, what direction, you're still getting exactly the same sound because you're picking it up the mic from here. So if you're buying a MediaMod, I would say it's not about the mic. It's a MediaMod to allow you to add additional parts, to add a light on top, to plug in an external mic. It's not about the microphone on it. And actually, I sort of wish they didn't include the mic, because, you know, it's not covering up the internal mic, so I'd much prefer to have the MediaMod with the internal mic and the light on top. I think that'd be better. In fact, keep the MediaMod on at all times, and if I want to add additional things I can. If I don't, then no problem. But yeah, it's a shame that it changes the mic. So that's my review on the MediaMod. So I would say yes, it's worth it. Yes, it's definitely worth buying, but is it the right one if you're thinking of getting it for the better quality mic? Maybe not.